Hey guys, Greg here, and thank you for coming to my channel. So today's topic is on how to develop better meditation. But before we get started, now for those of you who've never been here before, thank you for coming to the channel, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. What I'd like to do in this channel is just inspire the world in 5 main areas of life, which are mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, and socially. Because I believe that if we all had a holistic balance of these areas in life, a yin-yang balance, we truly will live in world peace together, where we abolish nuclear war, slavery, hunger, famine. We live in abundance, happy and healthy and wealthy all together, and we can travel the entire world, go wherever we want, experience all the exotic foods and cultures and languages and beauty around the world and artifacts that's been here for thousands of years, and just live in harmony. So if you guys like that message and believe in it, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification just so you can get notified when new videos are posted, and then share these videos with people who may need to hear them in your personal, intimate community, friends, family, co-workers. And comment below and just let me know what you think and your thoughts. So again, today's video is on how to develop better meditation, because I truly believe that when you meditate, again, your yin-yang balance will become more synchronized with the universe, and your vibration will be more in a positive and healthy vibration, and you just feel better. You'll feel more healthy and happy and positive. You will smile more. People would feed off of your energy and want to be around you more. Say, wow, this person's so happy. Either people say, oh, this person's so happy, they're crazy, and they want to get away from you, but again, because their vibration isn't in sync with yours. Or they would say, wow, I want to learn more from this person. Like, why are you so happy? I want to be that happy. So when you meditate more, you actually, again, you become one with the universe, and then that just helps attract more into your life of abundance and happiness and greatness. You actually can go to YouTube and look at, meditation for wealth or meditation for health or whatever it is, and there's some nice, even on YouTube, again, there's some nice sounds that you can listen to. They're a couple hours long, and you can just literally just meditate and just clear your mind and just sit there and try not to think of anything, or concentrate on one thought that's happy and you're grateful for, and just let that just be your main source of focal point. You can put your distractions down, like TVs, tablets, phones, any computers. Just put that away, go into another room, meditate, listen, maybe have some nice smells and aromas, therapeutic, aromatic smells in the air, and maybe have some nice gong sounds with I forget the name that you call the stick thing that you can swirl around in the bowl and makes that sound. You guys know what I mean? It's really soothing. I forget the name of it, so if you guys know, let me know so I remember. But anyway, yeah, so that's how I believe you can help develop better meditation, or even go talk to people who you know that meditate on a consistent daily basis and ask them some tips and tricks. People that you know personally that are pretty much experts, or I should say maybe do it a lot more, and then they would probably give you better tips to be able to meditate. So I believe if you add that into your daily routine with meditation, again, it's just a piece of that puzzle that's added there to be able to have that holistic balance that we need in life to be able to enjoy this planet and live in peace. So that's all that I have for that one. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Also, if you guys need help with manifesting greatness and attracting abundance to your life and have the right mindset to do so, click on the links in the description below into your email address, and actually that'll activate. You will get some discounts actually. If you decide to go through with the products that are offered after you enter your email, some huge savings there, guys. Very, very huge savings. And if you decide to get it, let me know what you think about it. If it really helps you, or if it helps you develop the yin-yang balance as well. Okay? Alrighty, so Greg with Green Zen. I hope you guys have a great day, and thank you for your time.